How to download and install Adobe Illustrator CC 2026 free trial. To get started, head down below this video and click on the link. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe website. Then we're going to head up to the top left-hand side, click on Creativity and Design, and then head across, and under Featured Products, we're going to select Illustrator. This is going to take us across to the Illustrator homepage, and you can see all the amazing features that you get access to inside of Adobe Illustrator once you have downloaded and installed it on your computer. And you can see all the amazing features that you get access to, and you can even select variations from the AI prompts that you give this amazing new tool. If you want to explore more of the features that you get access to, then you can scroll down and have a look at everything that you get inside of Adobe Illustrator. Now, with this free trial download, you are going to get access to all of these features that are inside of the paid version of Illustrator, so that you can try them out and see if you want to continue with the subscription to keep using the amazing tools from Illustrator. To get access to that free trial, we're going to head to the free trial button in the bottom right, click on that, and then we're going to have some options to choose from. Now at the top, there's individuals, students and teachers, and business. So choose the one that applies to you. Most of you are going to be individuals trying out the free trial for Adobe Illustrator. And then you can choose between just getting access to Adobe Illustrator or trying all of the amazing apps inside of Creative Cloud Pro that Adobe has to offer. Now you're going to get access to Photoshop, Lightroom, the Premiere Pro, which is the video editing. You'll get access to Acrobat Pro and Illustrator, which is the main one that we want for the purposes of this video. Now the Creative Cloud Pro option is a bit more expensive, so check the pricing at the bottom after the 7-day free trial ends. The advantage of going with the Creative Cloud Pro option is you get 4,000 monthly generative AI credits, which you can use to create really cool things using AI, which is going to save you a lot of time. Then we have to choose a subscription option. Now there's monthly, there's annual billed monthly, and there's annual prepaid. Now a lot of people get confused between the monthly and the annual billed monthly and what really is the difference, and why is the monthly only option way more expensive than the annual billed monthly. The reason why it's more expensive is if you go for the annual billed monthly, you are committing to a full 12 months, but you're only paying monthly. If you cancel early, then there are penalty fees for canceling early. So I always like to go with the monthly only option. Even if it's a bit more expensive, you can cancel at any time with no fee. You can try it for 2 or 3 months and see if you enjoy it. If you want to commit to the full 12 months, then you could change to the annual billed monthly. If you're a high roller, then you can go for the annual prepaid. This is completely up to you. We can also add in a 7-day free trial of Adobe stock, which gives you 10 standard assets, and why not? We can use them in the free trial, and if you don't want to stay with it, then you can cancel it before the end of the 7-day free trial. Once you've made your choices, click on the blue continue button. Then we can enter the email address that we want to use for our Adobe account. If you don't have an Adobe account yet, that's okay. You can create one at the end of this process. So just enter the email that you want to use and then click on the blue continue button. And then before you enter your payment information, just make sure you check the cart on the right hand side that everything you've chosen is correct. So we went with the Creative Cloud Pro plan with the monthly option, and that's how much it's going to charge after the end of the free trial. So check at the bottom here when the date is for the end of your 7-day free trial. It's going to be a bit different to this video depending on when you're watching this video. So don't look at my date. Make sure that you're checking your date when you start applying for this free trial. Check that you are getting access to the free trial. So due now is in fact 0. And then you'll see how much is due according to the options that you went with. If you did choose to add on that Adobe stock to get the 10 free assets, you can cancel that separately and keep the Creative Cloud Pro option going if you want to continue using all of the amazing apps from Adobe like we do. And then the download for the Creative Cloud app will start once you have got that downloaded on your computer. You can open up Creative Cloud and then download the free trial of Adobe Illustrator on your computer. If you get stuck anywhere along the way, or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. I hope you enjoy Illustrator as much as we do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.